will make your business come alive. Are you part of the next generation? Time to go supersonic.
Let's mute everybody. Minumute namin kayo because we want to gusto naming uninterrupted presentation, no? Kung meron kayong mga questions, i-reserve na lang po natin yung questions, hintayin natin yung end ng presentation para masarap yung ating open forum, no? You can ask any questions you want, no? And we will try to answer to the best of our knowledge and ability. At kung hindi naman namin masagot yung mga katanungan nyo, don't worry, i-research namin yung kasagutan dyan at babalikan po namin kayo either privately or dun sa susunod na webinar natin. Okay? So isang magandang umaga po muli sa inyo lahat, magandang gabi sa Pilipinas, magandang maghahating gabi sa Australia, no? At sa iba pang parte ng mundo. I understand we have participants from different parts of the world, sa Saudi Arabia, any part of Middle East, sa Dubai, meron din yan, no? I'm sure meron dito sa UK, meron sa Canada, no? Ito yung kagandahan ng negosyo na to, no? We can conduct this business and be able to talk to each other in one big platform na tinatawag na Zoom, no? So, wag na nating patagalin. Let's begin, no? I'm sure excited kayo. Katulad namin ni Sir Anton, no? We're very excited. We're very passionate about this business opportunity, kaya gusto namin i-share sa inyo, no? So, let's all welcome our host for today, no? Ang ating pong matalik na kaibigan, no? Ang ating pong passionate leader ng Thrivers Legacy. He is also very passionate with his own team, ang Thrivers Eagles at ang Thrivers Champions, no? Wala pong iba kundi ang ating manager 3-star, soon to be director, kilabot ng
webinar.
Pahala na ng webinar. Let's all welcome the debonair, Mr. Anton Sebastian.
Ayan, salamat Sir Paul, no? Hindi mo na masabi tuloy yung kilabot dahil talaga bumabalik, it will bounce back to you pag ikaw talaga yung kilabot. Anyway, salamat Sir Paul, no? Napakasaya ng Lunes natin. Isang mapagpalang umaga po, no? Dito sa amin sa England, no? Isang mapagpalang gabi po dyan sa Pilipinas at mapagpalang araw at gabi sa bawat sulok ng mundo, no? Happy Money Monday po sa inyong lahat. Let's hope and bring our Monday a fresh start, no? Kamusta po ba ang lahat na nandito ngayon at ang mga nanonood na sa atin sa ating Facebook Live, no? Hayaan po natin, buksan natin at padaluyin ang pagpapala at swerte sa ating mga tahanan at kung saan man po kayo naroroon ngayon, no? Handa na po ba kayo sa pagbabago? Yan po yung tanong ko, no? Siyempre, para magkaroon tayo ng mabilis na solusyon para makuha natin o makamit natin yung pananaw natin pagdating sa pera at kumita tayo ng malaki. Siyempre, ang goal pa natin, mabawasan natin yung oras natin sa pagtatrabaho, no? What we are about to bring to you guys, no, in our digital business is for you to understand, no, that we can achieve success in a short period of time, no? And the truth is, you probably want more freedom, no, in your life. Yun po talaga yung totoo. Gusto natin yan, di ba? Yung may kalayaan tayo, di ba? You want more time pagdating sa ating kaperahan, di ba? At syempre, no, gusto nating magkaroon ng time para sa ating pamilya, no? My name is Anton Sebastian, and I'll be your host today, working alongside with our gorgeous presenter today, no? And if you're new in this business, congratulations and welcome po, and we will help you to understand ang ano ba ang great business opportunity na meron tayo, and perhaps, no, we can open your mind for a change, leading you to where you want to be and spend more quality time with your family and loved ones. Siyempre, kumita rin tayo ng pera, di po ba, no? But before we begin, meron lang po kaming house rules na nire-request namin sa inyo. Una po, buksan natin ang ating isip. Keep an open mind po, no? Let all the information sink into your system and allow your imagination to lead you to financial and time freedom. Please avoid any distractions for a while for you to understand fully our great business presentation. Pay close attention to the informations na ipapakita namin mamaya. And after the presentation po, no, you can ask question, no, sa lahat ng mga impormasyon na inyong maririnig. At syempre, pasalamatan natin yung taong nag-invite sa atin dito sa ating negosyo, no? So today po, napaka napakasaya ko na makasalamuha ko uli ang gentleman na ito na magpe-present ng ating negosyo. He is a founder of our Tribers Legacy, no? A gentleman with a great heart, no? He lives in England for more than 23 years now. A nurse by profession, an entrepreneur, a loving father, a great provider, no? A great leader and a mentor. Please help me in welcoming our presenter of all time, Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. The screen is yours, Sir Paul. Take it away. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mega Host Anten Sebastian, no? Good morning once again and welcome sa ating Digital Biz presentation for today, no? A lot of you are very excited like us, no? Gusto niyo makita kung paano magawin itong opportunity na to, no? Something big is about to happen, no? Tulad ng sinabi namin sa mga invitation namin sa inyo at hindi kami nagbibiro dyan. Really something great and big is about to happen in this opportunity. Kaya ayaw naming ma-miss out. Kaya namin kayo inimbitahan sa webinar na ito upang makita nyo, no, on how this business works, no. Ituturo namin sa inyo lahat. Wala kaming itatago. Share namin sa inyo lahat ng information, no. So you can make an informed decision about this business opportunity, no. So in summary, no, itong negosyo na to is tapping or more or less tapping on the industry na mga patok na patok sa ngayon, no, yung Web3, yung metaverse, yung crypto, yung blockchain at saka yung NFTs, no. All we request from you ay buksan po natin ang isipan natin, no, para dito sa negosyo na to. Tinawag naming business for everyone dahil isang negosyo po ito na pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino, pwedeng gawin kahit kailan at pwedeng gawin kahit saan, no. Dito rin sa negosyo na to, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital, no. Siguro makakahinga na kayo ng maluwag diyan dahil traditionally, no, ayaw natin magnegosyo dahil ang problema natin kapital, no. Pagka tinanong mo yung mga tao, gusto natin lahat magnegosyo, no. Pero pag tinanong mo sila, bakit hindi mo ginagawa, no? Gusto mo pala magnegosyo. Laging ang kasagutan, pera, no? Walang malaking kapital. Now, ito na yung opportunity natin dahil isang negosyo po ito na hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital. Sa maliit na puhunan lang, no? Pwede ka nang kumita ng 5 times or 10 times or more than what you're earning from your full-time job. Dito sa negosyo na to, pwede kang kumita in euros, pwede kang kumita in the form of NFT. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung NFT? It means non-fungible token. Ito po isang klase ng digital asset, no? Pag sinabing asset, ibig sabihin yung value niyan ay nag-i-increase over time, no? This is something that puts money into your pocket, no? Yan na po ang trending sa ngayon, no? Including do sa paglalaro ng mga games, no? Kung hindi na siguro kayo surprised, no? Ang dami nyo nare-receive ng mga invitation sa Facebook to play a certain game at sinasabi na maglalaro ka lang, kumikita ka na, no? Yung iba nga nagre-resign na sa mga trabaho, naglalaro na lang, no? Pero kumikita sila ng malaki through this mga gaming platform na ito, no? Dito rin pwede kang kumita in cryptocurrency, no? I'm sure most of you have heard of cryptocurrency, but probably most of you as well have very little knowledge about cryptocurrency. Kaya ituturuan namin kayo about cryptocurrency, no? Dito sa negosyo na to, pwede kang kumita while playing, no? Again, sabi ko nga kanina, meron tayong mga games dito that allows you to earn, no, in cryptocurrency. At dito rin sa negosyo na to, pwede kang kumita habang natutulog ka, no? Pero wag nyong i-take that literally, no? Hindi ko ibig sabihin na pagsali mo sa negosyo ay matulog ka na, no? Tapos aasa ka, nakikita ka na kagad ng malaki dito, no? You have to build the foundation of the business first, no? It may take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or even 5 years. Depende kung gaano ka ka-committed, ka-passionate, at kung gaano mo seseryosohin itong negosyo na to, or gaano mo susundin yung mga techniques, no, or steps para maging successful dito sa negosyo na to, no. Pero pagka nagawa mo ng tama yung negosyo with the guidance of your coaches and mentors, no, dadating yung time, no, in a few years time, na kahit tumigil ka ng gawin yung negosyo, kahit natutulog ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kita mo dito. Ang kagandahan din sa negosyo po na ito ay ito po ay isang transferable na negosyo. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin ipamana, iwan natin na sa legacy sa ating mga anak and potentially pati sa mga kaapu-apuhan natin. Isa rin po itong negosyo na 100% mobile. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ang tanging kailangan lang po natin para patakbuhin itong negosyo na to is something na hindi nyo nabibilin dahil I'm sure meron na po kayo nito, no? Baka dalawa pa ang meron kayo, no? Yung ating pong favorite gadget na pinag-uubusan natin ng ating panahon, ang ating pong mobile phone, no? Let me ask you, how many hours do you spend using your mobile phone? Pwede pong pakisagot yung tanong na yan. Type nyo natin sa chat box natin. Sa isang araw, gaano karaming oras ang ginugugol mo using your mobile phone? Can I have an idea kung how much you spend your time in your mobile phone? No? Titignan ko po yan mamaya, no? 1 hours ba, 2 hours ba, 3 hours? Second question po, sa dami ng oras na ginugugol mo sa mobile phone mo, ang tanong, kumikita ka ba out of using your mobile phone? Abay ko, ang sagot mo ay hindi. Today we will teach you, no? We will share to you kung paano natin pagkakakitaan yung ating mobile phone, no? We will teach you how to convert your mobile phone into a powerful online business, no, na kung saan tuwing kumikita ka, didiretso yung kita natin doon sa mobile phone natin, no, at doon na rin natin i-withdraw yung pera na yan. Okay, exciting po ba yung mga information na yan, no? But let me make a disclaimer. Lahat po ng information na i-share ko po sa inyo today are purely for educational purposes, no? It's not in any way an invitation to invest or purchase anything from this business, no? Sinishare lang namin yung opportunity. Kung gusto nyo, nagustuhan nyo, sa tingin nyo, ito yung negosyo na magbabago ng takbo ng buhay nyo, then fine, no? So, sumali kayo at join us in this digital business revolution, okay? So, ang hiling lang po namin sa inyo, tulad ng sabi ni Sir Anton, no? Please keep an open mind. Alam niyo, ang isipan po natin ay parang parachute. It works best when it is open. Pagka hindi bumukas yung parachute, patay kang bata ka. Pero pag bukas ang isipan natin, no? Diyan tayo natututo ng mga bagong skills. Nakakakita tayo ng mga bagong options na pwede natin gawin. Nakakapag-decide tayo doon sa mga bagong opportunities na dumadating sa harapan natin, no? Hindi natin agad na dinidismiss yung mga opportunities na yan. Sabi nga, ng mga pinakamayamang tao at pinaka-successful na tao sa buong mundo, karaniwan daw na naghihiwalay sa atin at dun sa mga bagay na gusto natin sa buhay natin ay yung willingness natin to change our mindset, no? Minsan kasi sarado na yung isip natin, no? Akala natin yung trabahong ginagawa lang natin ang pwede natin pagkakitaan, no? Pero pagka binuksan natin yung isipan natin, marami pa palang opportunity para kumita on the side, no? Pwede tayong magkaroon ng mga side hustle, baka nga mas malaki pakikitain natin doon, no? So all we need is a change of mindset. Now, bakit nga, total mga Pilipino po tayo, no? Bakit nga ba Pilipinas ang pinakamagandang sa Pilipinas pinakamagandang gawing itong negosyo na to? That is tapping into the cryptocurrency, gaming and NFT industry. Unang-una, napakalaki ng population natin, no? More than 110 million. We are the second most populous countries in Asia. And out of that 110 million, ito yung katakataka. There are 156 million cellphone users. Paano nangyari yon? Kasi merong iba sa atin, no? 2 hanggang 3 mobile phone ang ginagamit natin, di ba? We are even regarded as the tech capital of the world. Ngayon, ang bawat Pilipino nag-spend ng mga 9 hours on the average online daily. No, we are the social media capital of the world. And when it comes to cryptocurrency, no, we are number 1 in terms of crypto wallet downloads. Yung pa yan, 2021 pa yan, 2023 na ngayon, baka nga number 0 na tayo, no? So, ang understanding natin about cryptocurrency, yung pag-adapt natin diyan, napakaganda. So, there are nung 2021, meron tayong 4.3 million, no, plus ng mga crypto asset users, no, sa buong Asia, 73 million internet users, 32% are NFT owners. So, maraming mga Pilipino na naniniwala sa cryptocurrency at NFT, no? And ito pa, 74% ratio of mobile gamers. So, maraming naglalaro in their mobile phone, di ba? Kaya nga sumikat yung mga Candy Crush natin, yung mga Fortnite na yan, no? Dahil mahilig tayo sa mga mobile games natin. Yan ang ginagawa natin pagka naboboard tayo sa jeepney, no? Habang mahaba yung biyahe natin sa mga bus stop, yan din ang ginagawa natin, di ba? So, ito yung mga factual information that makes the Philippines one of the best place to do this business opportunity. Okay? So, what I'm going to do right now is magpapakita po ako sa inyo ng 4-minute video. Napakaikli po, pero this will explain to you everything about this business opportunity. Ano ba yung company na nagbigay sa atin ng opportunity? Ano ba yung mga products and services nila? At paano nga ba tayo kikita ng malaki dito sa negosyo na to? So after this 4-minute video, I will come back to you later on, no, para naman ipakita sa inyo yung pinaka-main focus nitong ating negosyo. So for the meantime, enjoy nyo po itong video na to at intindihin po natin itong negosyo na ito. Okay?
Welcome to our 4-minute presentation about C1. Firstly, I would like to remind you about our disclaimer. We are not an investment company or a trading company or a cryptocurrency company. With us, you take full responsibility for your own financial situation. Now, let's get into a brief overview. What is C1 and what is our company's mission? You may have heard of big names like Alibaba or Amazon, and today I will use them as examples to help you understand what we are doing. I will also reference other popular companies like Uber and Booking.com. What do all these platforms have in common? They all require customers to be successful, and they use various methods to attract them, such as advertising on Google, TV, magazines, and billboards. Customers are incentivized by these platforms to buy products or services, resulting in revenue for the company. For instance, when a customer orders an Uber, the company earns a commission while the driver receives the rest of the fare. Similarly, Booking.com takes a cut when a customer books a hotel through their platform. These businesses operate as referral platforms, providing other companies with a channel to sell their products without actually owning the products themselves. Uber doesn't own any taxis, and Booking.com doesn't own any hotels. In essence, the main goal is simply to refer customers to the products and service providers. Now we've arrived at C1. What is C1? C1 is actively using the network industry, also known as referral system, in order to build our own crowd. In other words, we are building a huge customer base. How do we do this? By network marketing. Why? It's the best, easiest, and most cost-efficient way to reach customers while enabling other businesses to make money. Meanwhile, C1 has 50-plus million members in 150-plus countries united in the last 4 years. C1 offers a range of products and services, including our own travel agency, Travelia, similar to Booking.com. Customers can book hotels and vacations at great prices and even earn benefits from the hotel's reward program. Moreover, C1 is not just a travel agency, but also an educational platform. While basic education is necessary, investing in supplemental education and knowledge outside of traditional schooling is crucial for making real money. We offer 2 education platforms, Tigra, which includes a crypto academy where you can learn about trends, trading, and blockchain, and Mindo, which provides knowledge in multiple languages for both personal and business development. You can even offer your own knowledge to other C1 members. In addition to education, we also have the Metaverse Trade to Earn game, where you can learn to trade in a virtual world and earn real money. Planet IX is our top game on the Polygon blockchain, with thousands of active players building a better world and making extra money. Lastly, we have Emperor Night, a state-of-the-art game similar to Candy Crush, where you can earn shares and millions of gamers are waiting for the opportunity to share to earn. Our platform presents a unique opportunity for our customers and members to access everything they desire in one place. You can conveniently book your hotel from the comfort of your own office, participate in educational programs, and play to earn, all through C1. Moreover, the profit earned by C1 is not entirely for the company itself. It is directed back to the C1 system, which is designed to benefit active members. That's not all. Our company is soon launching its own token, the C1 token. All active C1 members will receive free access to these tokens. This token will not only have value through our existing ecosystem with over 50 million members, but it will also have usability through our products. We have created a token value pool with IXT tokens and are adding more value through our products' profits to this pool. This token launch is unprecedented and sets a new standard in the industry. At C1, we are using past referral platforms in the industry as blueprints to create something bigger. We are offering the best compensation plan in the industry with multiple income opportunities, including a huge residual income. Our company is dedicated to providing not only the best products and services, but also real benefits to our customers and members that can improve their daily lives. This is C1.
Ayan, an exciting business opportunity, no, that can be explained in just 4 minutes, no. The company wants to give us a business opportunity na simple and duplicatable, no. Kung marunong ka mag-messenger at mag-send, no, ng 4-minute video na katulad nito, ibig sabihin kayang-kaya mong gawin itong negosyo na to, no. Kaya nga ang kagandahan dito sa negosyo na to, hindi mo kailangan ng mga educational qualification, no. Kahit wala kang diploma, hindi ka graduate, pwede mo pa rin gawin itong negosyo na to, no. So, ang C1 business natin is tapping to a lot of great and exciting products and services, no? Tapping into the industry of Web3, Metaverse, blockchain, and NFT, no? Bakit, and also yung cryptocurrency, no? Yun yung pinaka-highlight ng ating presentation today. So, ang question, bakit nga ba cryptocurrency, no? Ang pinaka-main focus natin ngayon, no? Because this is the future, no. This is where the future is going, and that's where the company wants to bring us, no, to an uncharted territory, no. Hindi pa ganun karami yung nag-i-invest sa cryptocurrency, no. Pero bakit nga ba importante na hindi natin ma-miss out itong opportunity this time? Remember Bitcoin in 2009? I'm sure, no, at one point, no, from 2009 hanggang ngayon, merong ng isang kaibigan na lumapit sa inyo at nag-invite sa inyo na mag-invest on Bitcoin, di ba? I myself, no, nalapitan po ako ng kaibigan ko, sabi niya in 2009, mag-invest tayo dito sa Bitcoin kasi mukhang maganda, no? Pero ako, I had doubts in my mind, although hindi naman ganun kalakihan dahil ang presyo po ng isang Bitcoin noon, no? Kung makikita nyo dito sa Bitcoin prediction chart natin, from 2009 to 2013, to 30, nung 2009 ang value po ng isang Bitcoin, no, 0.001 of a dollar, no. Mga less than 50 pesos pa nga yan dahil ang $1, no, I don't know how much the value of $1 noon, no, pero less than 50 pesos pa po yan, no. So ibig sabihin napakamura ng isang Bitcoin. Pero 14 years after 2023 ngayon po, alam niyo po ba kung magkano na ang value ng isang Bitcoin? More than $30,000 na po. And it is predicted to reach more than $100,000 per Bitcoin, no, sa year 2030. At posible pong mangyari yan dahil nangyari na nga po, no, umabot na po ng $30,000 sa ngayon, no. So, ibig pala sabihin, kung naniwala ako in 2009 sa kaibigan ko, nag-invest ako sa Bitcoin, yung 50 pesos ko, more than $30,000 na dapat ang value ngayon. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng naging multimillionaire na tayo, no? So, nasa huli nga ang pagsisisi, di ba? A great opportunity that got away from me and probably from you, no? Now, this time, ang C1 po is launching, no, something big in the next few weeks. Ang tawag po dito yung C1 token. And I want to get ready for this, and I want you to get ready for this then, dahil I don't want this to be another opportunity that got away from us, no. Kaya gusto namin i-share sa inyo all about the C1 token para maintindihan nyo, no, para wala ng reason for us to miss this great opportunity. So ang C1 token po will be one of the biggest token pool in the world. Ang aim po ng C1 token at ng C1 is to make C1 token one of the major player pagdating po sa cryptocurrency, no, next to Bitcoin and Ethereum, no, na at least nasa top 5 tayo. We also want to become the top Polygon network cryptocurrency, no, in the blockchain, no. At mangyayari po yan dahil nagawa na po natin yan, no. One of our products, yung Planet IX, di ba, yung token natin dyan na tinatawag na IXT has become one of the most sought after cryptocurrency token. At yung game natin na Planet IX became the #1 blockchain game under the Polygon network, no, in just less than 2 years. Kaya kung nagawa niya ng company yan, magagawa din uli natin yan sa C1 token. Bakit kamo? Kasi di ba, according to the video, we have more than 50 million members already. So ibig sabihin, itong C1 token na to, magiging malakas ang demand, di ba? Sa law of supply and demand, pag malaki ang demand, no, mas tataas po ang value niyan, di ba? So magiging utility token po ito, gagamitin natin ng C1 token in every transactions na gagawin natin dito sa C1, including sa mode of payment natin. Gagamitin din po yan sa mga games natin like Planet IX and the soon to be launched na another big blockchain game na tinatawag na Metaverse. Okay? So it's going to just get exciting, no? as we approach the big launching ng C1 token natin. Okay, now ang question, paano ba tayo magiging part nitong C1 token na to? Ito po yung key ng C1 token natin, itong 5 packages na nakikita nyo sa harapan natin. Pero bago ko i-discuss yung mga packages na yan, let me show you the ways kung paano tayo magiging involved or engaged dito sa negosyo na to. There are 2 ways. Pwedeng maging member ka lang, libre po yan, wala kang babayaran. All you need to do is to register and then start referring the products and services of C1 including our C1 token, no? And that will give you access sa 3 paraan upang kumita dito sa negosyo. Pero if you want to earn an income that only big-time business owners could earn, no? O kaya an income that could make you retire financially within a few years, no? Hindi na natin kailangan magtrabaho ng 30 to 40 years. Become an entrepreneur. Paano? By becoming a customer of the company, no? By purchasing one of the packages, tapos mag-refer ka, tapos mag-build ka ng team of customers and team of business partners. And pag nagawa mo yan, bibigyan ka na ng company ng access sa 6 na malalaking bonuses na binibigay ng ating company. Let me now show you kung paano ka magiging entrepreneur. You become an entrepreneur by simply purchasing one of the new C1 NFT element packages natin. Nandiyan yung earth, yung air, yung water, at yung fire, no? Yan ang susi para makapasok tayo dun sa Web3, sa cryptocurrency, sa blockchain, sa metaverse, no? And we, again, according to the video, we will use the most effective way of marketing products and services, no, in the 20th century, no, or 21st century, yung network marketing na tinatawag, di ba? Now let's talk about the packages. Yung unang-una, yung Earth package natin, it will only cost you 129 euros or 7,700 pesos. Depende sa conversion on that particular day na kukunin mo itong package na to. Now, ano ba makukuha ka natin sa Earth package na yan? Of course, yung package na yan is powered by all the exciting products and services ng ating company. Travelia, Mindo, Metaverse, Planet IX, yung Tigra. Nakapaloob na lahat yan sa package na yan. Pero pinaka-importante dito, the company will also give you an NFT, yung Earth NFT natin. The Genesis Generation NFT, kauna-unahan, and the company is expecting the value of the Earth NFT to increase, no? As time goes by. Importante din na makakakuha ka ng C1 token dito sa package na to. Mamaya malalaman mo kung gaano karami. Now, so ito yung entry point natin, yung Earth package, no, for you to get started and start making money sa negosyo na to. But there is another way, no? If you want to no, mas mabilis, no, nandiyan po yung mas malaking package natin, yung Air package would cost you 319 euros or 20,000 pesos more or less. 2 NFT na ang bibigay siya ng company, yung Earth tsaka yung Air, plus you get more C1 token, plus the rest of the products and services ng ating company. We also have the Water package, 819 euros yan, 50,000 pesos more or less. 3 NFT, including the Water, plus you get more C1 token, and you get a bigger package sa Metaverse, no, plus the other products and services natin. And lastly, yung Fire package natin, 2,519 euros or 150,000 pesos. Meron ka ng 4 na makapangyarihang NFT. You have the Earth, the Air, the Water, and Fire. Plus, you get more C1 token, no? And of course, the other products and services ng ating company. So, 4 na malalaking packages ang pwede mong pagpilian upang masimulan mo itong negosyo na to. You decide kung anong package ang pinaka-best para sa'yo, no? Hindi ako magde-decide yan. But if you are to ask me, what is the best package? Of course, I would always say yung Fire package dahil dyan, ma-maximize mo yung earning potential mo. Kaya kung kaya mo rin lang at talagang pinasok mo tong C1 business because you want to make a lot of money out of it, I would go for the Fire package. Pero kung meron kang affordability problem, edi start on an Earth package. Tapos later on, pagka kumikita ka na, pwede ka na mag-upgrade on an Air package, a Water package, saka yung Fire package, no? So, you can upgrade at any point while doing this business opportunity. Okay? Now, no? Yung company is giving us an opportunity na makakuha ng mas malaking package nang wala na tayong babayarang extra. Libre, totally for free, no? Ang tawag dito yung Epic Upgrade for Free promotion ng ating company. Pero ang sad news, this is only for a limited period of time. Pero you have enough time dahil hanggang 15th of November po ito, no? So meron tayong 9 days pa. So how does it work? Pagka bumili ka ng Air package, automatic ang ibibigay sa'yo ng company yung Air. no? So napakalaking savings niyan. Pagka bumili ka naman ng air, ang bibigay sa iyo ng company yung water. Pagka bumili ka ng water, ang bibigay sa iyo ng company yung fire. Pagka bumili ka ng fire, magbibigay pa yung company ng limited edition na tinatawag na fifth element package, where you get more C1 token, more NFT, and more a longer subscription dun sa mga products and services natin. Again, this is only until the 15th of November, kaya wag natin palampasin itong napakalaking opportunity na binibigay ng ating company. Now, let's talk about the C1 token. Ilang C1 token ba ang makukuha ko, no, if I purchase those packages? Ito na po. If you purchase an Earth package, no, makakakuha ka ng 1,000 C1 tokens in the form of airdrop. Ano yung airdrop na yan? Ibig sabihin, binibigay lang sa iyo yan ng company for free, kasama na ng package mo yan, no? And that is going to happen this coming November 15. Pag meron ka namang air package, that's 2,500 C1 tokens. Pag water ka, 7,500. Pag fire ka, meron kang 20,000 C1 tokens. And fifth element package naman, meron kang 35,000 C1 tokens, no? Yung mga token na yan is as good as cash na yan dahil nako-convert yan into money, no? Now, if you avail of the packages before November 15, the company is generously giving us the multipliers. Anong ibig sabihin? Imu-multiply yung number of C1 tokens natin o yung value nito, no? Depende kung ano yung package na binili mo. If you purchase an Earth package, times 3 yan. Pagka bumili ka naman ng air package, times 4. Pagka bumili ka ng water package, times 6. Pagka bumili ka ng fire package, times 8. And if you are holding or you are an owner of the fifth element package, multiplied by 10 po yung C1 token value natin, no? Again, if you purchase those element package before November 15, yan po ang mga multiplier ng C1 token value ang ating makukuha dito, no? Now, ito yung good news natin, no? So, nagsimula yung company in 2019, no? So, magpa 5 years na po tayo. Merong mga sumali ng 2019 who are still holding the old package, no? Wala pa silang mga C1 NFT element package. Marami din sa atin ang nakakuha sa atin ng mga crowd 1 rewards na hindi pa nako-convert into anything valuable, di ba? Tsaka yung mga loyalty points natin. Ito na po yung time, no, to convert those crowd 1 rewards and loyalty points into something valuable, and that is the C1 token, no? I-burn natin yan, no? I-convert ng company yan. Depende kung gaano karami yung crowd 1 rewards mo or depende kung gaano karami yung loyalty points mo. So if you are an owner of a white package, a black package, a gold package, a titanium or titanium pro package, eto na yung time para makuha nyo yung mga crowd 1 rewards niya and loyalty points to its corresponding C1 token. Okay? You have 3 options. Kung wala kang element packages, no, you have 3 options. Pag after November 15, wala ka pa rin element package, eto yung unang option natin. Makakakuha ka pa rin ng 10% for free on your base C1 token. So kung meron kang white 2 titanium pro, wala kang dapat bayaran, pero 10% lang ang makukuha mo sa base C1 token ay bibigay sa iyo ng company from the conversion ng mga crowd 1 rewards at loyalty points mo. Pero ito yung second option, mas maganda. If you pay 19 euros, yan yung reactivation fee mo, the company will give you a 2 times multiplier. So kung ilan yung C1 token mo na nanggaling po sa conversion from your crowd 1 rewards and loyalty points, imumultiply pa ng company by 2. Ito ngayon ng third option. Option natin. If you wish to upgrade to an element package, tapos nagbayad ka na additional na 19 euros, the company will give you the normal multiplier na nakukuha natin kung meron tayong element package before November 15. Ibig sabihin, ita times 3 yan pag may earth ka, times 4 pag air, pag 6 times 6 pag water, times 8 pag fire, at times 10 pa rin if you have the fifth element package. So yun po yung tatlong option natin, no? So wala na kayong masasabi dyan. Binigay na ng company kung ano yung gusto natin, di ba? If you're not willing to pay, go for the first option. But if you are willing to pay 19 euros, second option. And if you are willing to pay the 19 euros tapos meron ka pang element package, then go for the third option natin. Okay? Now, kailan nga ba natin makikita yung C1 token natin? Kailan natin makukuha yan, no? So, meron na tayong launching roadmap, no? On November 15. Kaya importante po yung date na yan. Tandaan nyo po, no? That will be the time, no, na marireceive natin yung mga airdrop na yan, no? The company will release the white paper at maintindihan natin kung anong gagawin natin, no, when the C1 token is formally launched later on. Pero for the meantime, at least alam na natin, no, makukuha na natin yung mga airdrop ng C1 token na yan. Stage 2 from January 15, 2024, no, community liquidity event. Yan po yung cut-off date, no, sa pagka-claim ng mga airdrops na yan, no, yung token airdrop campaign natin, no. Tapos initial token fundraise for liquidity purposes. Stage 3 naman, sa first quarter ng 2024, no, yung specific date will be announced. Yan na po yung official token launch natin. Ibig sabihin, makikita na natin yung C1 token natin sa listing, magkakaroon na ng integration sa C1 Web3 wallet natin. So ibig sabihin, yan ang officially gagamitin nating currency sa lahat ng mga transaction natin dito kay C1, no? And of course, ilo-launch na rin yung staking pools natin. Alam niyo ba kung anong staking? Parang time deposit siya, no? Ilalagay lang natin kung ano yung cryptocurrency na hawak natin diyan, no? Tapos mag-generate siya ng profit para sa atin nang wala tayong ginagawa. Stage 4, quarter 2 na yan. So from March to June na yan, no? Yan yung ecosystem growth, no? Mas lalaki na yung coverage ng C1 token natin. Malalagay na tayo sa global exchange, no? I've heard Binance is going to be one of our platforms. Tapos of course yung Polygon, yung ERC20, no, diyan po i-release yung ating C1 token, no. Katulad ng Bitcoin, no, magkakaroon tayo ng magagamit yung ating pong C1 token as a utility token po natin. Okay? So yan po, malinaw na po kung kailan po ilo-launch yung C1 token natin. Now, the company is also very generous, no, para bigyan tayo ng incentive trip 2024, no, sa Maldives. For you to qualify, all you need to do is to share the opportunity to everyone, no. Pagka ikaw ay nakakuha ng 5 bagong sign up or 5 bagong upgrade from your existing members, no, pwede ka na mag-qualify dito sa Maldives na to, no. Ang qualification period natin nag-start na from 9th of October, pero meron kang hanggang 10th of January to qualify on this. Meron lang mga terms and conditions dyan. All qualifiers needs to have at least 5 activity points na papaliwanag ko po sa inyo mamaya, no. And you need to own at least water and higher element package, no. Tapos all attendees must be over 18 years old, and of course personally sponsored downlines will be considered for new sign-ups or upgrades. Okay? So, now let's talk about more money, no? Paano nga ba tayo kikita na mas malaki dito sa negosyo na to? The company gave us 6 different ways to earn, di ba? Pagka naging entrepreneur ka. Nandiyan yung crowd bonus, yung matching bonus, yung fear of loss bonus, residual bonus, sales bonus, at yung play to earn, no? Yung sales bonus, self-explanatory. Yung play to earn naman, yan po yung kikitain natin out of playing Planet IX, you have Metaverse, tsaka yung Emperor Knights. So magpo-focus tayo ngayon doon sa 4, no? And let's talk about crowd bonus first. Tinatawag din itong binary bonus ng karamihan, no? At dito kumikita tayo based on the purchase of the C1 NFT packages. So dito yung part na kung saan kailangan natin share yung opportunity to as many people as we can, no? So, all of us will be purchasing yung mga packages natin, yung earth, yung air, water, tsaka yung fire, no? Every time we purchase any package, nakakakuha tayo ng BP na tinatawag or business or binary points. For example, no, sinare natin yung opportunity, yung mga in-invite natin bumili ng earth package, nakakaipon po tayo ng mga 55 binary points yan. Pagka air package naman po, 150. Pagka water, pag 400. Pag fire naman po, nakakakuha po tayo dyan ng 1,250 binary points. Kung yung mga nirefer natin kumuha ng earth, pwede tayong kumita dyan ng mula 110 BP to 220 BP kasi yung computer system, i-divide yung total binary points natin by 10 o kukunin yung 10% nito. So, ibig sabihin, kikita tayo ng 11 euros up to 22 euros. Pag air package naman ang kinuha ng mga nirefer natin, 300 to 600 BP yan. Pag water, 800 to 1,600 BP. So, tumataas din yung kinikita nating crowd bonus, di ba? Lalo na pag fire package, you will have potential business points of 2,500 up to 5,000 BP. So, ibig sabihin, pwede tayong kumita mula 250 hanggang 500 euros. Para mas marinaw, ilagay natin yung mga BP na yan sa ating binary structure. Pag sali mo sa negosyo, tatawagin kang affiliate or member, bibigyan ka ng space o computer program ng company. Yan ang magmo-monitor naman ng lahat ng business transactions mo sa left, tsaka doon sa right, no? Magsisimula kang kumita ng crowd bonus pag meron ka ng isang direct referral sa kaliwa at isang direct referral doon sa kanan. Diyan babayaran ka na ng company based on 1-to-1 ratio. Again, very important na yung nasa left mo tsaka sa right mo are your direct or personally sponsored affiliates, no? Depende kung anong package yung binili nila, yun ang ibabayad sa atin ng crowd bonus. For example, bumili sila ng Earth package, jadi meron kang 55 BP sa kaliwa at kanan. I-adapt yan ng computer system, you will have a total of 110 BP, babayaran tayo ng company ng 11 euros. Pero bukod sa direct referral, babayaran din tayo ng company based on indirect referrals. Ano ba yung indirect? Yung mga nirefer ng nirefer mo. Mga hindi mo kakilala, mga hindi mo kaibigan, no? Halimbawa yung nasa left, nag-refer ng kaibigan niya, kumuha din ng Earth package. Yung nasa right, kumuha ng family member niya, nilagay doon sa right side, no? Pareho din kumuha ng Earth package, meron ka na namang 110 BP, kumita ka na naman ng another 11 euros. Ito pa yung mas exciting. Nag-refer yung nasa kaliwa na hindi mo kakilala ng kaibigan na hindi mo rin kakilala from UK, no? Mga nurse naman yan. Tapos yung nasa kanan naman, nag-refer ng kaibigan from Australia, pareho din kumuha ng Earth package, meron ka na namang 110 BP na nanggaling from another parts of the world, di ba? Ibig sabihin, nag-e-expand yung negosyo mo from different countries nang hindi ka nagpupunta doon physically. Diba, ang sarap ng buhay, no? Nasa Pilipinas ka, kumita ka from Australia and the UK. 110 BP kung ang kinuha nila ay Earth package, meron ka na namang magkano? Meron ka na namang 11 euros. So every 1:1, meron kang 11 euros or 660 pesos na pupunta dun sa personal account mo. Nasaan yung personal account mo? Nandun sa mobile phone mo. Yan ang virtual or back office mo, no? However, sa 1-to-1 concept, hindi palaging magiging balanse na 1-to-1 yan, no? Pwedeng maunang dumami yun sa kaliwa mo kaysa sa kanan, o kaya naunang dumami yun sa kanan kaysa dun sa kaliwa. Don't worry, dahil bukod sa 1-to-1, meron din tayong 1:2. Halimbawa, nauna yung dalawa sa kanan, tsaka ka nagpasok na isa sa kaliwa, babayaran ka pa rin ng company dyan based on 3 transactions. 165 BP will give you 16.5 euros or 990 pesos. Pasok na naman doon sa personal account mo. Meron din tayong 1:3. Nauna yung tatlo sa kanan, combination ng direct and indirect referral mo. Tsaka ka nagpasok ng isang direct na naman sa kaliwa. Babayaran pa rin tayo ng company dyan. I-adapt lang yung 4 na business points mo based on the package that they purchase. Halimbawa, Earth package, meron kang 220 BP, bayaran ka ng company ng 22 euros, meron kang 1,300 pesos. E paano kung ang kinuha ng 4 ay air package? E di mas maganda dahil 60 euros yan or 3,600 pesos. Pagka kumuha naman sila ng water, meron kang 160 euros or 9,600 pesos. At kung naman air 5 package ang kinuha nila, meron kang 500 euros or 30,000 pesos. Malaki na po ba yung 30,000 pesos? No? Pwede na, no? Pero hindi lang yan hindi lang yan ang pwede mong kitain dito sa negosyo. Dahil nagsisimula nang lumaki yung organization mo. Remember, meron ka ng 4 na members ng team mo. Diba? Mas exciting yan at lalago pa yan. Dahil ngayon 5 na kayo nagre-refer. Kayong 5, mag-refer kayo ng tigli-5. Ilan ang madadagdag sa team mo? E di 25. Yung 25, nagpa-sign up ng tigli-5, e di additional 125. Tapos magiging additional 625 and then magiging additional libo-libo na po yan, no? So, exponential yung growth ng organization, exponential din yung growth ng income mo, no? Kaya nga dito sa negosyo, meron kaming kasabihan, it's not the people that you know, but the people they know. Huwag mong isipin na konti lang kakilala mo. Importante yun, pero mas importante kung ilan yung kakilala, nung kakilala mo, di ba? Ang dami nun, di ba? Kaya most of the people in your organization, makikita mo, mga hindi mo nakakilala at hindi mo nakaibigan. Pero kumikita ka on every transactions. Next way to earn, tinatawag na matching bonus, kung saan nakakakuha tayo ng extra 10% matching bonus based on the income ng mga direct referrals mo. Nakadepende din ito dun sa number ng package mo. So the more you help your direct referrals to make more money, na kumita ng malaking crowd bonus income nila, mas lalaki yung matching bonus natin. Kaya nagkakaroon ng built-in support system. Matching bonus level 1, pag may Earth package ka, tapos meron kang 5 direct referrals, meron ka ng 10%. Kung magkano man yung income ng 5 na yon, makakakuha ka ng 10%. Di ba? Ang galing. Ngayon, kung Earth package ka lang, hanggang dun ka lang pwedeng kumita sa first level ng matching bonus. Kung gusto mong kumita ng matching bonus na additional 10% sa ibang levels pa, all you need to do is to upgrade your package. Hindi yan mandatory. kung gusto mo lang or voluntary, di ba? So kung air package ka at meron ka 10 direct referrals, hindi ka lang kikita ng 10% sa first level mo, kikita ka rin ng 10% sa income nung second level, yung mga taong hindi mo nakakilala at hindi mo kaibigan. Third matching bonus level, pag air package ka pa rin tapos meron kang 15 direct referrals, hanggang third level na yung 10% mo. Fourth matching bonus level, water package ka, 20 direct referrals, hanggang fourth level na yung 10% mo. At fifth matching bonus level, kung meron ka ng fire package, 25 direct referrals, meron ka ng 10%, hanggang sa fifth generation or fifth level. So dito mo makikita yung advantage. Pag mas malaki yung package mo, mas malaki ang potential matching bonus natin, di ba? So again, you can upgrade your package at any point in the business. So walang magpipilit sa iyo, walang quota-quota na kailangan gawin dito, di ba? Now, dito sa system na to, ginagamit yung konsepto ng leveraging. Ano ba yung leveraging, Sir Paul? Yung leveraging, yung pagka kumikita ka, hindi lang base sa sarili mong effort or trabaho, kundi kumikita ka rin base sa effort at trabaho ng ibang tao. Diba? Yung mga tao dun sa organization mo. Ganyan ang ginawa ng mga pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo. Sina Lucio Tan, sina Henry C, and if you go international, sina Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Richard Branson, no, Bill Gates, sino pa ba? Si Jeff Bezos, no? Or si Elon Musk, for example, no? They are the experts in leveraging, no? Dahil alam nila na pag umasa ka lang sa sarili mo, hindi ka talaga yayaman ng gusto, no? Kailangan marunong ka mag-leverage on time, skills, effort, no? And even sa technology, pwede ka mag-leverage yan, and even money, no? Sabi nga nung mga pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo, instead of working hard for the money, make the money work hard for you, di ba? Yung pera ang pagtatrabahuin natin. Ito yung opportunity natin para magawa yan. Opportunity para kumita ka yung tinatawag na residual or passive income. Pagka dumami na yung tao in your organization through referrals, no? Napakadali lang naman mag-refer. Ginagawa natin yung araw-araw. Kaya lang, hindi tayo nababayaran, di ba? Mag-refer tayo ng restaurant. Mag-refer tayo ng Netflix movie. Mag-refer tayo ng pelikula sa cinema, no? Ang daming nanonood, kumikita sila pero hindi tayo nababayaran, ni thank you, wala, di ba? Pero dito sa negosyo natin, mag-refer tayo, no? We will benefit from what we call passive or residual income. Kasi pagka dumami na yung tao in your organization, dadating yung punto na kahit hindi mo na ginagawa yung negosyo, nag-golf ka somewhere o natutulog ka sa bahay or in a 5-star hotel, oras na may kumita na members ng team mo from all over the world, no? Baka puro kaching ang marinig mo sa mobile phone mo dahil sa dami ng 10% nakikitain mo sa bawat direct referrals mo, no? Kaching yan, di ba? So yan po yung power of the matching bonus, yan po yung power of leveraging na tinatawag. Next way to earn fear of loss bonus, kung saan within 14 days sa negosyo, binibigyan tayo ng opportunity na mabawi na kagad yung puhunan natin at kumita ka pa, no? Kaya tinawag siyang fear of loss bonus para mawala yung takot mo na mawalan ka, di ba? So ang gagawin daw natin, no, 14-day challenge, makakuha tayo ng 4 na bibili din ng mga packages natin, then you will get your fear of loss bonus. Halimbawa, ikaw ay kumuha ng Earth, nakakuha ka ng 4 na bumili din ng Earth, meron kang 109 euros cash bonus agad-agad, no? Didiretso yan dun sa wallet mo. Pagka ibig sabihin, bawi mo na yung puhunan mo, lumalabas din yung mga nakuha mo out of your Earth package, libre na, di ba? Tapos, pagka naman ikaw nakakuha ng air at lahat nakuha mong 4 nakakuha ng air, meron kang 299 euros. Pagka ikaw naman ay nakakuha ng water, lahat ng 4 na nakuha mo, nakakuha ng water, meron kang 799 euros. Pagka ikaw naman ay fire, nakakuha ka ng 4 na nakuha ng fire, meron kang 2,499 euros, no? Ang condition lang dito, dapat yung package mo pareho o kaya mas mataas dun sa package ng mga referrals mo, no? Kung ikaw nakakuha ka ng earth package, tapos yung package yung 4 na nakuha mo, fire package, sayang, no? Hindi ka makakakuha ng 2,499, kundi ang makukuha mo ay 109 euros. So to maximize, kailangan yung package mo the same or higher than the package of your referrals. Kung hindi ka naman makakuha ng 4 within 14 days, okay lang din yan, no? That's not the end of your business. Ang mawawala lang sa iyo yung fear of loss bonus, but there are other bonuses na pwede mong kitain dito sa negosyo na to. Okay? Ito, yung pinaka-highlight ng compensation plan natin. Ito yung reason kung bakit ako at yung more than 50 million members natin ay sumali dito sa negosyo na to. Yung monthly residual income na tinatawag, na parang pension plan natin ito, no? Nakabase ito sa 40% ng profit based on the sales all over the world ng company. Ang gagawin ng company sa 40% na yan, ilalagay in one profit pool na tinatawag, no? Mapabox yan o mapatimbayan o sako yan. Basta kung magkano man ang pera sa profit pool na yan, paghahati-hatian nating lahat ng mga members. Pero meron niyang qualification, no? Kasi performance-based ito. Ang kikitain mo, nakadepende kung ano yung rank mo. Pwedeng team leader ka, coordinator ka, manager, director, president, senior president, at ambassador. Bawat levels, meron din 3 sub-levels yan. Team leader 1 to 3, or hanggang ambassador 1 to 3. Paano mo mararating yung mga levels na yan? Ang titignan ng computer system, yung left and right mo, bibilangin yung nagmamatch na binary points mo or business points sa kaliwat kanan mo. Pag umabot ka ng 500, team leader ka na. Madali lang yan. In 1 to 2 weeks, magagawa mo kagad yan, no? Coordinator, baka 1 to 2 weeks din yan. Umabot ka ng 5,000 BP, no? Tapos, pag manager ka, 50,000 BP, director, 500,000 BP, president, 5 million, and so on and so forth hanggang makarating ka ng ambassador level, no? At ang kagandahan sa system natin, walang demotion, walang deranking, no? Accumulative yung BP na yan, hindi bumabalik sa zero, no? Kaya paakyat ka lang ng paakyat. Halimbawa, director ka, hindi ka nababagsak ng manager, coordinator, or team leader. Naghihintay ka lang na mag-qualify doon sa mas mataas na mga posisyon. Kaya every month, no, you will be expecting to receive your monthly residual income corresponding to your position, as long as you are maintaining the requirement ng ating company. Mamaya, tatouch natin yan, no? So, yan po yung residual income natin. And aside from the residual income, meron pa yung mga additional incentives na binibigay ng company as you reach certain milestone dito sa negosyo natin. Okay? Now, yung company is also giving us help, no, to rank up faster para makuha natin yung desired na residual income natin through the rank booster promotion. Dito binibigyan tayo ng extra business points on every transactions depending dun sa NFT package mo. Pag Earth, sorry, wala. Pero pagka air package ang kinuha ng mga ni-refer mo, for example, meron kang additional 20% BP. Pag water, additional 40%. Pag fire, additional 70%. Pag fifth element ka, additional 100% na dodoble, no? So this will guarantee a supersonic speed success dito sa negosyo na ito. Now, okay, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung requirement, no? The product has to move or nobody gets paid. Remember, negosyo ito, no? Hindi po to lottery, no? Negosyo, ibig sabihin, no, meron tayong kailangang merong mga products and services, and those products and services needs to move or nobody gets paid. So yung company nag-set ng requirement na tinatawag na activity points, no? Activity points are points generated pagka nagre-refer tayo tapos kumukuha sila ng mga products and services natin. Okay? O kaya yung mga personal purchase na mga products and services mo. So, ito yung requirement natin. Nakadepende rin kung ano yung rango mo. Siyempre, pag maliit pa yung rango mo, maliit lang yung requirement natin. Pagka tumaas, mas malaki na yung requirement natin. Pero maganda dito, pagdating sa personal activity points required, pare-pareho lang tayo hanggang dun sa mula team leader hanggang ambassador. 5 activity points lang ang kailangan natin. Nagkakatalo doon sa group activity points, no? Pagka team leader ka, to team leader 3, tama na yung personal activity points mo. Kasi 5 din yung required na group activity points. Pero pag coordinator ka, no? Kailangan hanggang ayun pala team leader to coordinator 'yan, no? Pero pag dumating ka na ng manager, to manager 3, aside sa 5 activity points mo personal, dapat meron ka rin 10 activity points as a group. Ibig sabihin, kasama yung activity points ng mga personally sponsored affiliates mo. Pag director ka, 15 ang kailangan group activity points. Pag president, 20. Pag senior president, 25. At pag ambassador ka naman, 1 to 3, you need 30 activity points at least para makuha natin lahat ng mga bonuses na pinag-usapan natin today. Okay? So again, the product has to move or nobody gets paid. So yan po, lahat ng information na kailangan nyo, no, for you to understand how the business works, no. Sabi ko nga, this is a 4-minute business, no? I-send mo lang yung video natin na 4 minutes explanation ng negosyo natin. If they decide to join, they'll become part of your team, no? So very simple and duplicatable. Pero we also have training programs, no, para mas maging expert ka dito sa negosyo natin. We provide top education through the company and also through our mga leaders, no? So, nandyan naman po yung mga Zoom presentations natin. We also have YouTube tutorials. Tapos, nandyan po yung Mindo, yung Tigra. And of course, nandyan po yung ating back office ng C1, no? Which will give us updates every now and again, no? Para alam natin what's going on in our business opportunity. Okay? So, napaka-importante po ng training na yan because that will also help para i-mold yung mindset natin, no, para magbago. Kasi nasanay tayo, no, anak, aral ka mabuti para pag graduate mo, meron kang magandang trabaho, no. That's how Filipinos were raised, no, by our parents, di ba? Pero si nanay, si tatay nagtrabaho 30 to 40 years, yumaman ba? Naging milyonaryo ba? Si lolo't lola, ganun din. Si tita at tito, ganun din, no? Si ate at si kuya, ganun din ang ginawa, no? Walang yumaman sa pamilya. If you want to become the first millionaire in your family, then don't copy them, diba? Huwag mong kopyahin, kasi yun na yun, subok na yun, na talagang hindi ka aasenso kahit magtrabaho ka ng 30 to 40 years, aasa ka lang dun sa retirement pay na tinatawag, diba? So, kailangan magbago ka, no? If you want change to happen in your life, then you need to do something new, di ba? And this is one of the opportunity na pwede mong gawin, di ba? So change of mindset lang yan, okay? So turuan kita kung paano ka magsisimula dito sa negosyo. Unang-una, join, no? Magpapadala yung nag-invite sa iyo ng QR code or invitation link, mag-sign up ka. Tapos number 2, share the products, no? Gamitin mo yung produkto and then share it to your friends and families. Malay mo, merong mga gamers dyan na gustong pang kumita sa mga games natin, no? Mag-build ka ng customer base mo. Number 3, pakita rin natin itong opportunity na pinakita ko sa inyo. Huwag nating ipagdamot, no? The more, the merrier, the money-er, no? Sabihin, mas dadami yung pera natin dito. So mag-invite ka, mag-build ka ng team ng mga business partners din. And number 4, get rewarded. If you become an active and productive affiliate dito kay C1, there are a lot of incentives and bonuses na naghihintay para sa iyo. Okay? So yan yung kailangan mong gawin para makapagsimula dito. Let me now give you some 5 steps to success. Unang-una, mamili ka ng package mo, no? Mapa Earth package yan o Mapa Fire package yan. It doesn't matter, no? Pero kung may pera ka na, go for the Fire package. Kung wala naman, go for the Earth package and then upgrade later on, no? Number 2, activate your wallet and products, no? So, importante yan, no? Gamitin natin yung mga produkto natin. Number 3, go for your fear of loss bonus. Yung first 4 mo, no? Crucial yan. Kasi that will set your face in the business. At kaya ko sinabing crucial, kasi alam mo ba na pag nakuha mo yung fear of loss bonus mo within 14 days, tapos ginaya ka ng mga nakuha mo, nakakuha din sila ng fear of loss bonus within 14 days. Alam mo ba that within 90 days, pwede ka nang kumita ng yung unang million mo dito sa negosyo na to, no? We made all the calculation, no? Maniwala ka, 90 days pwede kang kumita ng 1 million dito, no? Number 4, contact your key people. Sino ba yung mga invite mo dito sa negosyo? Do not discriminate. Don't decide for them, no? Anybody pwede mong invite dito and then let them see the opportunity, no? Yung kaibigan mo, pati kaaway mo, kapitbahay mo, no? Kasamahan mo sa trabaho, ka-Facebook, ka-Twitter, ka-TikTok, ka-Instagram mo, no? Lahat sila pwede nating invite dito sa negosyo na to, no? Number 5, attend webinars and events, no? Maraming mga webinars, halos araw-araw yan. Meron din mga events sponsored by the company. Diyan tayo makakakuha ng mga updates. Meron mga recognition and awards nights, no? Merong entertainment, lahat yan, no? Makukuha natin dyan. Okay? Ang pinaka-importante, lahat ng papasok sa team mo or sa organization mo should duplicate these 5 steps, no? Pagka na-duplicate mo yan, you'll be able to build a huge and stable organization, no? And that will determine the size of your check or commission dito sa negosyo na to, no? Mas malaking organization, mas malaki ang income mo dito sa negosyo na to. Okay? So, yan po yung opportunity, no? Some of you have probably decided already to jump in and do the business with us, but some of you also would like to take some time, di ba? Ganyan karaniwan, no? Actually, yan ang nag-hold back sa atin from becoming successful in life, no? Yung patumpik-tumpik, di ba? Sabi ni Richard Branson, isa sa pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo, no? Pero he started from the bottom din. Sabi niya, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Karamihan sa atin gusto alam na lahat, no? Gustong alamin lahat, no? And it will take you a lot of time. By the time you decided, dahil alam mo na lahat, no, na wala na yung perfect timing dito sa negosyo na to. Especially in the nature of our business, yung positioning and timing is very critical, no? Bakit, no? Kasi we are in the network marketing business, di ba? Yung tao na naiisip mo na potentially gusto mong i-share tong opportunity na to, pag nag-isip-isip ka ng 2 weeks, baka yung kaibigan mo na yon na-invite na ng one of the 50 million members natin, no? Nag-invite na, sumali na, tapos ikaw na yung iimbitahin niya. Di ba? Naunahan ka na, no? So very important, especially if you think na there's nothing much to lose in this opportunity. 7,700, panghihinayangan mo ba yon if what is at stake is potentially the future, your future and the future of your family, no? Mas malaki yung pwedeng mawala sa iyo if you procrastinate and delay your decision, di ba? Baka ma-miss out mo all in all yung opportunity na nasa harapan natin, no? Kaya very important po yan. So, ito na yung opportunity ino-offer sa atin ng company. Now, today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow that you want. Ang tanong na lang kung anong klaseng bukas ang gusto mo para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo, di ba? So if I were you, I would get started now. Ako po nung first time ko nag-attend ng webinar, no, I had a lot of questions in my mind, but I did not let that to stop me from starting the business opportunity, no. I started straight away, and then after a week, I was a team leader. After another week, I was a coordinator. After 6 weeks, I became a manager, no, and now I'm a director, 1-star of this business opportunity, no, and the next director or the next president and ambassador could be you, no. So maraming salamat po for joining us today. Ito po muli si Paul de Guzman, nagsasabing daig ng maagap ang masipag. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, grabe, no? Maraming salamat din, Sir Paul. What